on YouTube. What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? I got some new lighting, so I hope this ain't too dark or too, I don't know. I hope it looks better than what some of my other videos has been putting out, the quality and everything. So, is it me or y'all been going crazy? Yo, shout out to y'all. Y'all been going crazy. I say thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. And hey, Merry Christmas. Merry effing Christmas. Yo, hey, I don't know if it's just something I got or something I be feeling, but every time I see a new hat drop, I gotta go get it. It be like, go get it. Go get the hat. Go get the hat. $50 gone. Gone. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. You know, you only live once. YOLO. And that's a bad sign, but it's true though. Like, it's true. You only live once. Enjoy it. Just be responsible. It's the biggest thing I say. YOLO, but YOLO and be responsible. So, this ain't what I came to y'all to talk about, but I'm gonna bring it to y'all anyway. Yo, y'all going crazy with them Cherry 11s. That's good God gracious here now. Now, I don't want them. I'm good. I'm kind of fell back on Jordans, retro Jordans. I'm kind of fell back on them, but, they straight. I mean, if you have to win like 96s, you already know what them about. So it's not really like anything. And I sold my win like 96s, so it don't even matter to me. Like, I'm kind of over red shoes. Like, oh my God, like Jordan dropped so many red shoes and all that stuff. It's just too much. Like, sometimes it's just really too much. But I'm over red shoes. But what I really want to talk about is when a new hat drop and how you feel like you gotta go get it. Like, that's really like what it's about. And speaking of hats, let me introduce y'all to this boy here. I don't know if it's new or if it just dropped, but it's something that I seen that, you know, you see a hat and be like, man, like, this is crazy. The Angels, like, this is a crazy hat. This is crazy. I like the colors. That green, that red, and a little bit of that cream in there, man. This is the colors I feel like right now it's gonna be go dumb for the year, for the end of the year. And shout out to all the people that's making cream just the color to be. Like, I ain't never seen cream on this much stuff. It's on everything. Everywhere you go, from shoes to clothes to hats to whatever it is, even your furniture and stuff like that, it's cream now. Like, cream in them muted colors is just like everywhere. And I don't know what it is, but that's just what it is. Like, I'm not a fashionist or whatever it may be. Like, I just know I know how to dress myself and kids and my wife and stuff like that. I know how to dress them. Other than that, I'm not claiming to be the guy of it, but it is some people and it is some stuff out there that definitely make you want to go get these hats and these clothes and stuff, because that cream just going crazy. You can throw that cream on with a darker color or a lighter color. You can just rock it any way you want to. And shout out to Essentials, because y'all been doing that for a minute. So, bam, the Angels just hit the hip for a good $44. But with lids, if you sign up for them for the email and thing, you buy so many hats, you start getting points, you start getting stuff off. So just stay on the lookout for that, man. Yeah, man, California Angels, this is a dope hat. This is a dope hat. If you get a chance, go cop it. Y'all know I'm a Detroit player all day, but it is what it is. So the reason we came to talk to y'all about this is these here. These here. These here. These here. Yeah. I don't know if these are a Finish Line exclusive, because I haven't seen them nowhere else. And is it Finish Line? Yeah, Finish Line exclusive. I haven't seen these nowhere else. And I asked the guy, I said, y'all the only ones to carry these? And he didn't know. But I haven't seen them anywhere. I seen them in the store. I didn't get them, and I went looking online for them, and I just could not find them anywhere. So if y'all know any other places that got them, tag it in the description or whatever. Leave a comment. Let them know, like, where else these could be copped. Because right now in the city of Detroit, Michigan, whatever it is, these are Finish Line's the only place that I've seen them that had them, even online. So if y'all see them, hey, go online, cop them, whatever. But these right here, They go hard. They go hard. And I'm gonna tell you why. It's simple, and the colors pop, and it's a great summer shoe. Get your, if y'all don't know, get your summer shit now. So when summer get here, you copping for winter. Like, you shop early, you shop ahead. Like right now, I'm shopping for all summer stuff. A couple winter shoes here and there, but it's all summer stuff. All summer shoes and stuff like that. So I have something to rock during summer, and I ain't looking to go cop something. So I have something already. But let's get into this shoe. I think these colors are dope on this shoe. The colors they got on here is white, and light menta. I don't even know if that's a color, but menta, yeah, I've never heard of that. Maybe I just need to open my color palette a little bit more. But let's get into these. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into them. As you know, they're a pair of Air Force Ones, and I keep a clean, fresh pair of Air Force Ones on the deck. So let's get into these, and bam, 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 bam. I told y'all it's about having something different in your collection. Having something different. What makes these? Oh, bam. There y'all go. There y'all go. There y'all go. I get y'all. Hold on. I get y'all one. I get y'all one. Bam, bam, bam. Man, I'm gonna just stop talking for a minute. Bask in that. Bask in that. Like I said, I ain't seen these nowhere else. What makes these great? Let's talk about it. One, the bottom is that color. Check out the bottom, and that's cold. The liner, I think, kills it. That back tab kills it. And right here in the front, you got that color on the Nike sign. And it's the small details about this shoe that I seen them. My wife told me I lit up. I don't know how black as I am, I lit up. But I lit up, and it was like excitement to me. Like I said, it's the color for me. It's not even a shoe, it's the color for me. If I'd have seen this color on another shoe, I'd have probably did the same thing. I think this color just go crazy right now. It's an all white Air Force One at the end of the day. The quality is not that great, but it's that hard quality, but you can get a couple wears out of it. And because of the color, you might not want to keep wearing this and doing what you're doing in it. I did go true to size, which is 11.5. I think that's a good size. That's good for me. But hey, like I said, if y'all looking to cop these are on Finish Line website. The only place I've seen it. I don't know, like I said before, if it's an exclusive Finish Line drop or if it's just something that dropped on Finish Line. I'm not sure. Finish Line might have got them first and nobody else got them. But if you've seen these and you've seen them any other place, if these are old, let me know. Like I said, I did a little research, but I ain't researched when they came out. Like I said, I only seen them on Finish Line. So enough with the talking, enough with the yapping. Yo, do me a favor, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yo, and if y'all like the content I'm putting out there, please do come back and holler at me. Hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.